एक तो होती है वर्कआउट एंड देन देयर इज द वर्क, राइट? टिपिकली मेरे को ऐसा लगता है व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट मूवमेंट या फिर
Right.
ग्रेजुअली अपनी बॉडी को पेन फ्री बनाना, लाइक माई गोल इज टू बी हेल्दी एंड पेन फ्री,
Right.
राइट? एंड नॉट हैव यहाँ पे दर्द है, उधर दर्द है, इधर दर्द है, ये वाला एरिया हर्ट कर रहा है, पर मैं चले जा रहा हूँ.
Right.
There is a kind of work that people in calisthenics या movement culture या anyone who fascia training, जितने भी अब
Right.
the alternative ways of fitness जो आए हैं, they go outside the casual workout जो आपको 1 घंटे mandated होता है करने के लिए कि आपने हफ्ते में 3-4 दिन वो करा,
Correct.
where they will spend maybe the first part of the morning training their toes or maybe spend the later part of the night figuring out कि उनकी back में ये issue है, इसके लिए specific exercise.
Right.
So for your approach, is it only specified to the studio or do you go outside it?
I'm
मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि जैसे एक तो होता है वर्कआउट, मैं गया
Right,
जिम में, मैंने
right.
वर्कआउट कर लिया, and then there is like the work, the things that you have to do even at home.
right.
Because हाँ,
A lot of which when you're coming, I feel like when you're coming from like if you want complete movement, if you like, there's an hour that you have within the space within your workout, right? But there's all of this ancillary stuff that you want to be doing if you want to be moving well and completely, which you're not going to get in the 1 hour. Which is what, like you were saying with this postural thing, which I can cover that base really quickly. A lot of people say that, with their traps, they're like, I hold a lot of stress here. And often it's not that esoteric a thing. Not that it is untrue, but a lot of the time it has to do with how you're spending a lot of your time just like rolled up looking at your phone screen, or, where like you're drinking water after a while using that muscle because it's become so overactive, because you're spending so much time hunched over, like the existence of a laptop. That's why you'll see like a little older generation doesn't hold so much stress here because their screens were far away.
yeah,
You know what I mean? They just weren't, our screens are down here. So we're always like that. And that's why we're always like, this is always so, and everybody's like, oh, a lot of stress here, which is not completely untrue. It is one of the places we hold stress in the body. But I think that it's far less so than people think. And so like dealing with this stuff from the ground up, like this kind of stuff, if you want to sort it out, you're going to have to spend time working on the other muscles that need to strengthen. Spend as much time on those muscles as you're spending like that.
correct.
If you want it to actually rectify itself from the ground up.
Which requires a complete 360 degree, 180 degree lifestyle change, जो कि लोग anticipate नहीं करते. मतलब I think most people want the minimum possible dose, mean for it, guilty as charged, कि आपको, मैं 1 घंटे गया इसके जिम में, इसके बाद मैंने calisthenics का पुश वर्कआउट करा, आज मैं एंडोर्फिन्स के मामले में भी सेट हूँ, ठीक है, आज मैं थोड़ा पेन फ्री हो गया, अब दबा के काम करूंगा, एंड माय काम इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, लाइक hunched over, right? So what I'm basically doing is I'm getting a small injection, like a steroid, to sort me out for just a little while.
You said it.
Yeah.
Which is why a lot of physiotherapists, when people go to physiotherapists, they'll give you something and they'll be like, do it 3 times a day. And we don't. We just go, every time we go to them, we'll do it for that 20 minutes and then you don't see the progress. Or even if you do see a little bit, you're back at that physio in 2 months. Because your body has this predisposition and you're going to have to actively, maybe forever, work against it to counteract that, which we don't do. Like we just like navigate the symptom, but don't actually get to the cure, which is you doing it on a regular basis to counteract. Like some people have certain, like this is your job. It requires you to be in this position.
Right.
So you're going to have to do that stuff to counteract it. Just like a sportsman will have training that's specific to his sport. Like if you're playing cricket, you'd have a certain bunch of a style of training that you'd have that's specific to cricket. Basketball player would have, like Michael Jordan in the documentary, when he went over to if you've watched the Michael Jordan ki wo, The Last Dance, when he went over to baseball, he trained to make his body baseball ready, and then retrained to make his body basketball ready when he was switching back over, and he's Michael Jordan. You know what I mean? So even at that level, you've got to work, use your body in a way that to enable it to do the things that we want to do for our job.
मैं एक embassy में गया था, and I think people stood up for the national anthem of a particular country. तो सब लोग खड़े हुए, मेरे सामने कुछ 4-5 star decorated generals थे.
Right.
One of them was a gentleman from the, I think the Royal Air Force, जो UK में होती है. He must be in his 40s. अच्छा, जब वो खड़ा हुआ ना, तो when we stand at ease in schools, हमारे को ऐसा सिखाते हैं, we go like this. I noticed उसके वो he stood so erect.
Right.
His shoulders went all the way to the back. His
Right.
scapula was so stretched. And I could see through his uniform, उसके shoulders पूरे पीछे हो गए.
Right.
मैं बोल रहा था यार ऐसे तो कोई खड़ा ही नहीं हो सकता. And he was standing comfortably. He was not
Right.
forcing that.
Exactly.
And I was like, that is insane to be able to stand at ease with the shoulders completely back and not feel pain and stand for 2-3 minutes.
Yeah.
I was like, ये तो specimen है.
Right.
He doesn't have any postural problems.
Right.
Yeah.
So that again, I was all hunched over. Before I got into this whole thing, I was like, as you know, that's where I connected with you because I was living in pain. My whole journey started from just wanting to be pain free initially. And so everything was like, I was like, essentially my neck was all forward like that. This was overactive, stiff all the time. Pain in the lower back, pain in the shoulder. And I remember when people would be like, stand straight, stand straight. I'd do it, but it would feel like work. And I'd
Standing straight is work.
standing straight would feel like work. And I would just be like, you know, how can it, I'm sure it's not this hard for like everybody to just generally stand straight. Like it's not meant to be this hard. Like if you're looking at people around who have good posture, I wonder if they are feeling this level of effort in just being like that. And then I started to realize as I got into it and I started to strengthen the right muscles and build from the ground up that essentially we're all just bags of bones, right? Our musculature will hold us up, however, easily. And once the correct muscles started to strengthen, the posture just created itself. So I think once you rectify it in that way, once you strengthen the correct muscles, it ceases to be an effort.
Can we do the rest of this in Hindi if you don't mind?
We could try.
Hey? Your Hindi is excellent, by the way. I know that.
It's not. It's terrible.
क्या बात कर रहा है भाई? तू तो बहुत ऐसे करके बोलता है. तेरा ये मसल फायर कर रहा है. इसको ऐसे करने का, ऐसे करने का.
Oh,
Anyway.
okay.